rights under Article 56, coastal states, some coastal states, claim that they have also a residual, and I haven't heard this word, I think, this morning, a residual, perhaps I'm mistaken, a residual right to regulate military activities. For instance, Ecuador, in its declaration, said that it had the exclusive right to regulate uses or activities not expressly provided for in the Convention, and in parentheses, residual rights and jurisdiction. But for other states, like Italy and Germany, the coastal state does not enjoy residual rights in the exclusive economic zone. In particular, the rights and jurisdiction of the coastal state in such zone do not include the right to obtain notification of military exercises or maneuvers or to authorize them. Regarding this third argument, there is a variation, the Chinese variation, where this residual right is based on security interest. So, for some Chinese scholars, the residual right, so a right other than those granted to the coastal state by Article 56 to regulate foreign military activities in the exclusive economic zone, derives in particular from a security interest implicitly but clearly recognized by Article 59 of the Convention. As we know, this is not a very clear provision, but it is clear that Article 59 is a different mechanism and very ambiguous mechanism from due regard clauses in Articles 56 and 58. So, even if a security interest is recognized on the basis of Article 59, that doesn't mean that this interest has priority over other interests, such as conducting military operations in the exclusive economic zone of another state, because the solution, the mechanism here is based on equity. It's not giving due regard to an existing right, is a solution based on equity and perhaps negotiation, and the conflict is not between rights, existing rights, but between interests. So an interest cannot establish a right, and this right, in any case, cannot have priority over other interests. So this interpretation of Article 59 about residual rights is not perhaps very convincing. The last argument, the fifth, is that there is in the Convention some provisions on the peaceful uses of the oceans, Article 2, 301 and 88. So according to some Chinese scholars, all these provisions prohibit non-peaceful activities, including all military operations. This argument seems to imply that all military activities by third states in the exclusive economic zone of another state are potentially non-pacific because they pose a threat to the security of the coastal state, and therefore the coastal state has authority to determine unilaterally what is peaceful or not. And that's a problem with this argument. Of course, there is this clause about peaceful uses of the oceans, but who will determine if military operation is peaceful or not? And the other problem is that for maritime states like the US, in any case, these provisions were designed to prohibit actually what is already prohibited by the UN Charter and customary international law, the use or threat of the use of force. Of course, sometimes it may be difficult to distinguish between naval operations and some kind of threat of the use of force, and I would say that here the decisive criterion would be that of intent, perhaps. So all these arguments challenging the lawfulness of foreign military activities in the exclusive economic zone are obviously closely related. They purport to exclude some or all of these activities without the consent of the coastal state. This state would thus have the exclusive residual authority to regulate foreign military activities considered in principle non-peaceful for security purposes. So it is obvious that if one accepts this position, due regard clauses in Articles 56 and 58 would probably become irrelevant. in the absence of potentially conflicting interests. There is no right to conduct military operations, so there is no duty to have due regard to the coastal states' rights. So that was the first point, but conversely, if one concludes that third states have in principle the right to conduct military activities in the exclusive economic zone of another state in abstracto, in general, and if we consider that coastal states have only the rights and jurisdiction granted to them by Article 56, so not the security interest or right, the due regard clauses become applicable in order to resolve a potential conflict in concreto. So if we admit in abstracto the existence of a right to conduct military operations, how should the due regard clauses operate in concreto? And that's the second point, the application of due regard. How to resolve conflicts over military activities in the exclusive economic zone in concreto. As we all know, and we have seen, the purpose of the due regard clauses is to balance the rights of the coastal state and the rights of third states. The object of these clauses is therefore to regulate a potential conflict in the exercise of existing rights in concreto, So the object of due regard is not to establish a right, is to regulate its exercise and to facilitate, if you like, a balancing between competing rights. I have the text, but you know the text of Articles 56, paragraph 2 and 58, paragraph 3. Here, of course, as we have seen, it's not very easy to differentiate, to distinguish between the violation of sovereign rights and the due regard obligation. For me, for instance, I'm not sure, in the South China Sea arbitration, there was a violation of sovereign rights and not due regard question, because if a military vessel is engaging in fishing, this is not, that has nothing to do perhaps with due regard. It's a clear violation of the exclusive right to fishing or given to granted to the coastal state. Perhaps I'm mistaken. In any case, these provisions are complementary in the sense that they establish reciprocal duties in the exercise of different rights. This is not the same right, because this cannot possibly exist logically. So different rights, economic for the coastal state, and all other rights, navigation, and perhaps, if we accept this position, military operations and activities in the exclusive economic zone. These due regard clauses are not designed to grant states other rights than those already set out in the relevant articles in the Convention. There is, of course, an obligation, but this obligation doesn't mean that the beneficiary state has more powers, because in the literature we see also this argument quite often. The coastal state has due regard, so I have unlimited power to do whatever I want, and vice versa. It's not like that. Due regard is not about giving rights, it's about regulating their exercise and potential conflict of existing and different rights. One question, the question, of course, who has already been dealt with, is this of the scope and meaning of due regard clauses. I would say, because I don't want to. This question has been examined. Perhaps there is a substantive aspect, but for me, the most important thing is the procedural aspect. I think that everything depends on the nature of the rights involved. I don't agree with Professor Scovacci, and I think the Ambassador Pfeiffer is in agreement with me, that there is a priority. Because if we accept the priority, we don't accept the notion of due regard. I don't think there is a priority because these provisions were designed exactly in order to avoid unilateral actions. So perhaps overflight and military marine data collection could be conducted without the consent of the coastal state, perhaps. But for other activities like weapons and like exercises, I think that due regard contains at least a procedural duty, the duty to notify before the activity. Of course, we can imagine consultation, and as in this Tsakos arbitration case, or even negotiations. But the most important thing is that one state that plans to exercise, to conduct military exercises in the exclusive economic zone of another state, notify its intention to the other state. And this notification will be at the basis of eventual consultations and eventual negotiations. Sometimes, of course, urgency could explain that we have to solve the question on the ground, in the sea. I don't, of course, I'm not familiar with this case, how in the field and in the sea these questions could be set. But in any case, I think that for me, the understanding of due regard is mainly procedural. And perhaps I have 3 seconds. I think that the most important is finally not to give to either coastal states or third states the right to determine unilaterally what is consistent with due regard or not. In any case, I have the feeling that neither Mr. Smith nor Mrs. Jones are right, so they have to negotiate in order to find a solution. Thank you.
Many thanks for this very stimulating analysis. It shows the complexity of the issue. As we pointed it, most of the answers are a matter of interpretation, and interpretations differ most of the time. The question is also, the question which is in the core of the issue is also the one of the balance between different rights. I'm sure we'll have more exchanges about this issue as we had already this morning, related to the applicability of the due regard obligations and also the consistency of those obligations.